Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm very excited to share with you this video today because I got this morning my very first box from DecoArt. And as I had mentioned in a previous video, I was accepted to the DecoArt Blogger Outreach Program. And how it works is that you have to apply online, and then they tell you whether you're accepted or not. They look at your social media and your blog and see what types of crafting you do. And they like an all sort of a well-rounded crafter who does a bit of everything, they said, because their products range from fabric paints to mixed media supplies to acrylic pouring. They've got brushes, they've got stencils, they've got everything really. And you know some of the products, I'm sure, when I share with you what I've got. So what happens is you kind of figure out what projects you want to do, and then you create a list from their catalog, and you send them the list, and then they can say yay or nay. I think they would say yay, no matter what, within reason. Um, and then you get your product and you make your projects and put up your blog post or video or whatever it is you're doing. And then you just kind of go from there. And then every month or so, you plan out more projects and send a new list to them. So it's really exciting. And there's no dates or anything when you have to have your posts up. It's just kind of when you fill out your form, they ask for sort of an estimate of, when do you think you're going to have it done, kind of thing. And they're an incredibly generous company, and I know you guys all know their products, but I'm so excited to be able to share this with you and this new journey that I'm on. So let me get started and share with you some of the products that you're going to see me using within the next month. So I'm super excited. So this is the first product. It is Americana Decor, and it's chalky finish paint, and this color is called Lace. And I wanted a good like neutral color, and you can see it's not white, it's more of a creamy color. So it's more like the color on the lid. It's like a very light buttercream, I want to say. It's absolutely beautiful, and I love chalk paint. It's one of my favorite paints. So look at the size of this jar. It's amazing. So that's going to last me for a little bit. And this is 16 ounces, so I'm very excited to be able to use that. So you will be seeing me use that. So that's the first thing. And then I got a couple of the larger jars of the DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. This one is called Pearl. And look at the color. Now comparing it to that, you can see there's a difference there. This one's more in the tan family. This one's more in the creamy white family, ivory family. But this has a beautiful pearl finish to it. I don't want to open it yet because I've got some fabric down here, so I don't want to get it on the fabric, but you will be seeing me use this. This is a bright metallic paint, 8 ounces. But I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's very pearly paint. So I'm really excited to see what kind of a finish that can do. So this is all like super exciting to me. And then this, I kind of made a little happiness squeal when I saw this. This is rose gold paint. I'm so excited. This is a bright metallic paint, and there's the color in a rose gold, and I'll show you the top. I love rose gold. It is one of my favorite colors. And this is another 8-ounce jar. So super excited about these. I love metallics, and because of the time of year and Christmas coming and everything, I'm really excited to use these, and you'll see a couple more metallics in a second here. The other thing that I got, and I know a lot of crafters know this product, which is the Snow-Tex. I had this last year and the year before, but of course I ran out, so I asked for some new ones because I'm going to be working on some holiday projects. So I wanted to have some more Snow-Tex, and you guys know this one. It's fake snow, and it's so amazing. Look at that. It makes texture on your projects. It's kind of got a sandy feel to it. It's really great to use through stencils and all kinds of things you can do with this. You can add it to your projects to make them look snowy and wintry. I love, love, love Snow-Tex. So I got some of that. And then I also got some modeling paste. Yes, they have modeling paste. So this is a DecoArt Media brand, and this one I got just in the white. And I will be doing, it says it's a flexible, opaque, paintable texture, so you can paint this as well, which I do a lot of times with my modeling paste. I add a bit of color to it, so that's going to happen with this, I think. It can be tinted with media fluid acrylics. Adheres to most surfaces. Apply with a palette knife or a stiff brush. So yeah, very, very cool. Love texture paste. And then I got one of the metallic lusters, which is this project, and I am going to open this product, and I am going to open it because I want to open it, which I'm terrible at opening packages. Okay, we'll just do it this way. Nope. Good packaging. Okay. And it's in rose gold. How exciting. I think you'll probably start to see a theme here soon for my projects. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Oh, look at that color. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's going to be so nice on projects. I love rose gold. It's super pretty. Look at the shimmer in that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's put this back. So that is the metallic luster rose gold. And then I got some paints, and DecoArt is the makers of Americana paints, and you guys know Americana paints. Every crafter uses these paints, I'm sure of it. So very exciting to be able to be working with a company that makes these paints, because these really are one of my most used paints that I use. And this color is antique white, and there you can see the color. It's like a really nice, like tan color, but more creamy than tan. Very creamy tan color, I'd say. And then I got a blush pink, which I love. It's a very vintage pink, I would say. Very vintage color. It's not a dusty rose, but could be close to a dusty rose. And then I got this color, which I'm very excited about. It's an ice blue, it's called. Winter blue, pardon me. This is called winter blue. And there you can see. So won't these two colors look amazing together? Look at that. Love, love that. So there's that. And then there's the little sticker on the top with the color. So I love that. And then I got this color called Mulberry, which is a very plum color. Another color that I love. So you can see these are all going to look so pretty together. You know, even with this color, it'll be just how amazing and yummy is that. Love that. And then I got a couple of metallics. Of course, I got a different rose gold because I couldn't help myself because I love rose gold. And this is the Dazzling Metallics. So I'm interested to see what the difference is between the Americana Decor Metallic and the Dazzling Metallic. So I'm very interested to see the difference between these two. So that's kind of why I got this one, because I wanted to see if there was a difference, what the difference was. So I think this one might be a little bit more coppery. We'll see. We'll see. We'll do a test. And then last but not least, I got this color, which is the ice blue, and it is in a metallic as well. And I wanted a lot of these for Christmas ornaments, and I have another project in mind that I want to do with some of these products. So I'm really super excited about all of these goodies that I got from DecoArt, and you know, I hope you guys will come along this journey with me. I'm very, very excited, like I said, and this is a wonderful company to be able to be working with, and yeah, I'm thrilled. So check out all these amazing and wonderful products that I got, the Snow Tex and the chalky paint. It's just amazing to be able to work with this company. So that is all my goodies for right now, you guys. So stay tuned for my projects featuring DecoArt. This is going to be very, very fun. So come along and have fun with me with these DecoArt projects. And I will be back soon, guys. Take care, everybody. Bye.